I hope you are doing great. So currently this morning we're in a farm once again. This farm is located around Amule, around Ayobo, here in Ipaja, in Lagos State. So we are here to make sales as usual. The owner of this farm actually invited us down to come help make proper sales. You know, I keep telling farmers it's advisable to consult the service of a fish agent when you want to make sales, so as to maximize profit and save yourself the stress of these fish buyers. So we will be making proper sales here as usual, and we will carry you along as you make proper sales. In case you are out there, you're about selling your fishes also, you can easily slide into our DM and make your intentions are known. So we'll be making our sales here. The owner of this farm has actually sorted out these fish to their sizes, so it will ease us the stress of sorting and changing fishes from one pond to another. So all the fishes are in a pond here. They've already been sorted out, so the only thing left here now is just for the buyers to come in and pick up their fishes and make their payments. So thank you for watching to this video. That will be all for today. We'll be showing you guys how the sales will go once again. So thank you for watching to this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.